Arguments can be inevitable in relationships. However, there are some important tips to help couples have arguments that are more productive and result in understanding and forward progress, rather than negativity, hurtful statements, and further resentment. My name is Dr. Shelley Sommerfeldt. I'm a psychologist and relationship coach with the Loving Roots Project. Today, I'm going to give you some tips to help resolve conflict and argue more fairly and productively. So first, establish a time to talk. It's important that both parties are going into a situation prepared to talk and to come to a mutual understanding. It's a common occurrence that one partner is ready to talk and bombards the other person before they're ready, and this can result in further arguments and a really negative situation. So again, preface the situation by asking your partner if they're ready to talk. This will ensure that both parties come to the situation ready and willing, which can lead to more effective communication. And number 2, prepare. Now, I don't mean coming up with ammunition that you'll yell at your partner, but more that you're preparing yourself, both mentally and emotionally, to come to resolution. This will allow you to process your thoughts and your feelings about the situation and prepare yourself for what you want to speak about. To accomplish this, I would highly recommend making a list with 2 parts. First would be a list of topics that you want to cover with your partner. Perhaps this is where you list the things that have upset you. And then the second part, talk about how you feel and why that topic is important to you. And now before you present this list to your partner, flip it around and start with how you feel first. The reason that this is so important is because most people are more willing to listen with open ears when they hear vulnerable things from their partner and how their partner is feeling, rather than being blamed or feeling as though their partner is constantly pointing a finger at them. Number 3, calm yourself. This is a really crucial step prior to talking with your partner about difficult information. It's essential that you feel calm and in control of your emotional state. If you find that you're feeling too upset to effectively communicate, then delay your talk for another day. Give yourself some time. People often jump into conversations too quickly when emotions are too high, and this just results in anger and yelling and further arguments. Number 4, talk with the goal of understanding and being understood. Be sure to focus on listening and understanding during the discussion. This means actually talking and listening versus yelling, interrupting, or criticizing. It means that your primary focus is to understand your partner's view even if you don't agree with it, and then to express your own point of view. This simple act of being heard and understood can have a meaningful impact that can greatly reduce disagreements. And finally, number 5, forgive and let go. This is a key step, and it's really the definition of resolution. Forgiveness is essential. When you resolve something, that doesn't mean that you've forgotten it or that you're pretending it never happened. It means that you're healing from it. I hope that you found these tips helpful. Thank you for joining me today.